Okay, back on the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and the wind is blowing like crazy, so this may be a very short flight.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Okay, try it again. Try it again. Oh, very unstable.
Please check it on the map.
Ooh, that wind is blowing, I think, a little too hard now. Yeah, that's... Go up a little bit. Bring it around. Okay. Yeah. Lower altitude, okay. We're gonna lower altitude and see what happens there. Up a little. And out. Yeah. Just wanted to go over here and look. Yep, no box. For sure. But the good thing is they have covered the ditch up. And that's where the trailer would sit, right there. We'll go to the end of that pad and turn. There's another pad. And turn around a little bit more. There used to be a ditch over here, but there ain't no ditch now, folks. Okay, I can't go too close to that pole because I'm not high enough. Well, let's see if I can go any higher now. Let's see if the strong winds come back again. There seem to be lessening. 130 feet above ground and go out. It's straining. It is a straining. Barely making 22 miles an hour. Let's turn it. See if I can find the road. Need to get in the dark again. The screen's just not quite. Yeah, it's returned to home time. Not a long flight at all, because it is just too windy. Coming back at about 18 mile an hour. 6 mile an hour. .7. Boy, we're not.
Landing.
Okay, we are landing. Going to the ground.